Hi guys, this is Michael Stillwell from Piano Technician Academy. I am the student coordinator and I am currently on vacation with my beautiful wife, who is pregnant with our 4th child, and we are in Portland, Oregon. And some of you may be asking, why would we vacation in Portland considering we're located in Portland, but we actually live in Phoenix, Arizona. The rest of the team lives in Portland. We're here for a wedding, totally unrelated to PTA. But we just went to Powell's Books and she shopped for books for our kids and I responded to all of your emails. So this video is basically me just trying to say, hey, even when we're on vacation, we are responding to you guys. We are definitely paying attention, calling students back, working with everybody, even when we are out on vacation. So now that we've gotten through all of our work, we are on our way to go have some lunch. I forget the place we're going to, but Lardo. So hopefully it's really good, and then off to the wedding. But thanks for watching, guys. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to shoot me an email at michael@pianotechnicianacademy.com. You can also contact David at david@pianotechnicianacademy.com or Adam at adam@pianotechnicianacademy.com, or just give us a call. As you can see, we are always available even when we are out of town on vacation. Thanks for watching, guys.